You've heard of selling digital products online. But what if you didn't have to build the product? Or the landing page? Or even run ads? This AI does it all, while you sleep. Meet Sell Scale, a tool that doesn't just help you sell, it acts like your personal AI sales team. It writes your offers, builds funnels, sends outreach emails, and even qualifies leads for you, all without lifting a finger. Here's how people are using it to earn on autopilot. You tell Sell Scale what kind of digital product or service you want to offer. It then 1. Creates the sales pitch. 2. Writes personalized outreach emails using AI. 3. Sends cold emails at scale. 4. Handles replies. 5. Books meetings or directs them to your product page. You wake up with leads in your inbox, or sales already made. Example: you create a Notion template or a simple PDF guide on productivity. Instead of posting on social and hoping someone sees it, Sell Scale 1. Finds people likely to buy it. 2. Emails them personalized offers. 3. Follows up. 4. Drives traffic to your product page. Users are generating $500 to $1,000 per month with 1 to 2 simple products and 0 ad spend, all handled by this AI tool. Why this works? Digital products are amazing, but sales? That's where people struggle. Sell Scale flips that by automating outreach, persuasion, and delivery using smart AI flows. It's like having a sales representative that works 24/7. And doesn't ask for commission. If you've ever wanted to sell something online but didn't know how, this is your shortcut. In tomorrow's video, I'll show you how one AI is building entire customer service chatbots that talk like humans. We're just getting started.